Hey guys, I'm here milling some plates today. Some A668 Class G material. Um, we're doing a full slot around the perimeter. I've been doing some testing, and I think I finally got a good speeds and feeds figured out. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on. So these are just some hanger plates for a bridge, and all we gotta do is profile it out. I've already done the hole, the stock setup on what we want it. So now I'm just doing the outside perimeter. I did some testing. I'm gonna do an 1/8 inch. I'm gonna leave a little bit left, and then I'm just gonna come back and finish it up, just so I have as rigid of a setup as I can. So 2D contour, 2D contour. I'm running a harvi 1 TE 4 flute, 9 thou corner radius, 5/8. Oops. Pretty good stuff. I'm running. So let me take you over here. Here's the material. I think there's 12 of them to do. 12 or 14 or so. So there's the plate. A little rusty. It's been sitting outside, but there it is. There's some heat. So I've been doing some testing on it. Blow this all off. So here's my setup. So what I did is I drilled these holes in there first, so I can anchor it down, and then I poured out this hole to size. And I put this anchor plate in there, as you see. So now it's just anchored down. So there's the material A668 Class G full slot. Like I said, that was a 1/4 inch deep there. Looks pretty good. It chatters like hell out here on this end, but I got a little bit different now, so let's see how it does this time. So maze control smooth G. So here it is. So all I do is here data, USB, directory select. I have 2, but it needs to stay in a folder for you to load it, or for it to see it. So you hit OK. USB load. I do select all, hit OK. So these are the 2 programs I have in that folder. I run 1001 and 1002. We always be posting a lot, so it's just easy for me to remember exactly where we're at. So I don't need 1002, so I just do 1001. I'm gonna hit start, and it do its loading. There it is. So now I come back to position. Nothing's loaded. Work number. Find my 1001. Hit OK. So now it brings it up. 2D contour, G54, 2000 RPM. 19 inches a minute. I'm not going crazy on this, but like I said, I had some chatter. But once it gets into the main slot, it's almost soundless. So let's see how it does. So reset, turn the air on, lock the door. Turn that. I had that 150 because it was running really good. So go ahead and hit start. I got through spindle air on. Let me see if I can find you a good clean spot. Find myself a good clean spot. Oh yeah. Just plowing right through it. 16%, 322 SFM, 19 inches a minute. As you see it. Don't mind the cracked window. You know, gotta get stuff done, right? So now that is actually in the full slot, 24% spindle load. Like I said, you don't even really hear it. A better shot over here. Sounds really good. Still 24% spindle load.